Every owner has said what a difference it made with the installation of the new windows in the summertime and in the wintertime. They just couldn't believe the difference in the quality of life that we have inside our units now. When Centra made the presentation and had actual examples of what the difference would be with and without the new windows, it was a no-brainer. So there were lots of questions, and every question was answered by Centra. During the winter, there was no drafts coming in. You could feel the difference. You could go up to your window and not feel the draft, and it wouldn't be cold. In the summertime that we've gone through, you couldn't feel the sun's rays coming in, heating up the house as much. And the third thing we found was the sound. Because we live on a fairly busy street around here, everybody couldn't believe how much sound they didn't hear after the new windows were installed. It's the last major expenditure we have to do in the Strata, and everybody feels so comfortable. There were people who were thinking about moving who are now staying just because of it.